something Pastor Deboye said this morning. Pastor Deboye said, people like me, Pastor Deboye, is leaving the stage. I pray that the young pastors coming after me will be far greater and better. And I said, when will Nigerian politicians say this? When will they tell the youth they will be greater? Instead they want to stay there. I stay there till end of life. That is not what we want. No. It is your government, youth of Nigeria. We want to bring about your government. This election 25th will not be about ethnicity. It will not be about tribe. Every tribe is suffering. Every tribe is in pain. Is any tribe at that place, Chiba? No. It will not be about religion. And Nigeria is multi-religious country. We respect everybody's religion, and it must stay like that. No religion buys bread cheaper. So don't care about religion. It must not be about my turn. It's nobody's turn. It's your turn to take back your country. It is not about their turn. That's what they are free you. We are free you. This election will be based on. This election will be based on character. Character we can trust. And that character begins by saying who you are. This is Tati Baba Ahmed. Everybody in Abuja. Everybody in Abuja. Everybody in Abuja knows who he is. He's an alumnus of University of Maiduguri. He's an alumnus of Westminster University in London. We know his record. He's an entrepreneur. He's studied 2 universities. He's happily married. This is his wife here. My name is Mr. Peter Obi. I'm an alumnus of University of Nigeria in Nsukka. I'm an alumnus of Lagos Business School. I'm not of Oxford University. I'm not of Cambridge. I can go on and on. And I'm happily married. This is my wife here. Today, this is the first time we are presenting to you for the first time in Nigeria since Nigeria started. For the first time in Nigeria since Nigeria started, Labour Party is producing what has never happened before. We are now going to offer you our chairman, national chairman, presidential candidate,